everyone. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Sarah's still asleep, so I gotta be kind of quiet, but today is Monday, the 23rd of November, and we're going to Yosemite today. So, pretty excited. But before we leave, we've got a few things we gotta do. Come on, you're the buddy. You excited to go play with your friends today? Yeah? Where are we going, bud? Are we going to Hydrant? Alright, let's go. You excited? We're finally off.
And in the car by 8:30.
Yeah, somehow,
I'll have you know.
Somehow Sarah was actually on time for once in her life, which is unbelievable. We're not gonna make it very far though. We're going to get Bagel Mania. Gotta carb up. Gotta carb up for the long drive. It's about a 5-hour drive, but that won't be too bad. Healthy.
I mean, you've got to have McDonald's on road trips, right?
I'm probably gonna have it for lunch. I'm not proud of it. It's the second time today, okay? Don't you judge me. My body's a temple, and I treat it right. This road trip is powered by pink slime. Sarah felt compelled to do a McDonald's versus Wendy's chicken sandwich review, so
We got Wendy's last week, and there are definitely some stark differences between the two that I'd like to share with you all. First of all, the mayo to bun ratio on McDonald's far superior. However, the chicken pate, as they say, way too over-seasoned. So I'm gonna have to go pate, Wendy's, mayo bun ratio, Macker's, lettuce, honestly, both pretty. Fries, however, Wendy's fries, trash, way too salty. Gotta go Macker's fries. With that being said, if I had to choose between Wendy's or a Macker's chicken sando, I'd go Macker's.
wow. Good stuff. Alright, so we made it to our Airbnb, and looks like Sarah made a friend outside, so we're gonna go check that out. Apparently his name is Moose. Hey Moose. What are you doing? Never had an Airbnb that came with a pet.
So sweet. Look at her pet. Oh my god. This cat. I can't get over how sweet it is.
What's going on, everyone? It's day 2 of the trip. and we're all packing up. Everyone's making sandwiches, getting ready to go. We're going to the park for the first time, so pretty excited for that. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully get some cool footage. I think today we're gonna keep it kind of light, just kind of walk around, do some mostly flat hikes, check out the waterfalls, stuff like that. But that's the plan for now. So stay tuned for some Narnar footage. Hopefully it's mind-blowing. We'll see. Never been before. All right, we made it.
We made it. First stop, tunnel view. Came through a tunnel.
Came through a tunnel, had a view. It's pretty sweet.
But yeah,
It's freezing.
pretty epic views.
Check this out. Boom. Simdog, initial reactions to the Yosemite.
Oh my God, that was incredible.
It's got that Nature Valley Bar crunch.
Just crumbs everywhere.
Aldog, did this make your rib feel any better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Allie, that's a good look. I like that. It's just so bundled up.
Honestly, it did make my rib feel better because it's so cold. It's like I can't really feel it.
It's like a natural ice pack.
It's God's ice pack.
Sarah, your initial reaction?
Super legit. Cold.
Too legit.
I can't wait to go see the other side of El Cap. It's gonna be awesome.
All right. What is it, day 3?
Day 3, day 2 in the park.
Well, yeah, but day 3 of the trip.
Yeah, day 3 of the trip.
We're currently at the base of El Slapitan.
Looking majestic and gorgeous in the morning sunlight.
It's about 35 degrees.
Apparently no climbers. We don't see any climbers on the rock right now, so.
Yeah, but that's okay. We're gonna
Oh,
get
yeah.
up there and free solo it about 2 feet off the ground.
Yeah, we're gonna try to go check out the base. And then maybe Bridal Veil Falls after that. And Valley View maybe today. And then base jump off the top.
Sunday.
Well,
back at it again, boys. It's a tradition at this point.
I can't even see it. Macus. We had an awesome trip. Sarah's got some bling on her finger now. It might be too bright for the camera. Ooh, look at that!
You know that's right.
Let's go!
You know that's right. We had an amazing Thanksgiving. We spent the day at the house cooking. We played croquet. We played pool. I won croquet, which was a highlight. Drank some Bloody Marys. Played a little bit of Catan. It was all around just the best.
Awesome day.
Allie and Jen mostly made a spectacular spread for us.
Shout out to Jen's Burritos. Shout out to Allie's marshmallow, whatever that was.
Marshmallow puff. We had mac and cheese. That was my favorite, personally.
It was greenhouse chili.
Mac and cheese, legit. Yeah, it was a pretty good trip, all in all, I'd say.
Yeah. So this is probably the last entry. Hope you guys enjoyed watching.
5-hour drive back, picking up Oscar.
Oscar boy.
It's another successful trip to the Natty Parks.
We're out.